SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Make a great choice today with 2006 Ram Pickup 3500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 5.9-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, anti-theft security system. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, tachometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.